The hidden power of the mirror in Mandarin learning. Many children find it difficult to master Mandarin. Finding effective practice methods can make all the difference. One powerful yet often overlooked tool in this journey is the mirror. Why mirror? Mirror can provide visual feedback on body language. By observing themselves in the mirror, children can fine-tune their delivery to make it more engaging, particularly when it comes to expressing the subtle tones that Mandarin demands. Moreover, Mandarin is a language that requires a lot of practice. The mirror creates a private practice space that can help reduce nerves. What can you do with a mirror? Children can start by role-playing common scenarios, such as ordering food at a Chinese restaurant or asking for directions in Mandarin. Practicing these everyday conversations in front of a mirror can immerse learners in the Chinese cultural context of these interactions. The mirror also helps children see how to shape their lips and position their tongues for different words, making it easier to master Mandarin pronunciation. Third, how to make the most of mirror. To further enhance the skill, combining mirror practice with Chinese language learning apps is also a good idea. By imitating other people speaking Mandarin in front of a mirror, children can see how their facial expressions and body language match their spoken words. One thing that needs to be remembered is the mirror is only a practice tool. If your child still doesn't have the confidence to speak, he or she should still be guided by a professional teacher. If you are interested in having your kid learn Chinese online, sign up for a free trial lesson by leaving a comment below, and we will contact you as soon as possible.